nutrition programme for children just like us.
In this show, we're going to look at healthy food and drinks,
Explore a few myths, interviewing a nutritional specialist,
take a cooking class with Laura, the chef,
and give you some top tips for keeping healthy.
So first up we have our Mythbusters.
Here to feed your mind.
We are the Mythbusters, busting myths for a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise keeps your body fit. Fact, it makes your muscles stronger, including your heart, and reduces illnesses like diabetes. It also makes you feel better inside your mind. Don't eat takeaway food. Myth, you just have to be careful. There can be a lot of fat and salt in some foods, but there are usually healthier options on the menu. Chocolate is bad for you, so don't eat it. Myth, like most things, a little bit is fine. Chocolate contains sugar and fat. If you eat too much, it can lead to weight gain.
Carrots help you see in the dark.
Fact, carrots contain vitamin A, which helps to make your eyes work. Without vitamin A, you will not be able to see in the dark.
We hope we busted some myths for you today.
So this morning with our Edible Explorers class we will be doing a rainbow stir fry, and it's a rainbow because, why is it rainbow?
Because the vegetables are colourful.
They're colourful, okay. These are children's cookery knives, and that means you hold the knife, do you remember this? You hold the knife in the hand that you would write with, okay? So I'm going to make my other hand into a bridge shape because my hand will hold the vegetable. So for example, mushroom, all right? You're going to make a bridge and hold the vegetable. You will take your knife and you will gently cut in. Now you'll see that the knife has got teeth, okay? So that helps us guide where we're doing, okay? So we've done our baby corn and mushroom. So we've got something here called a cavallo nero. Basically a dark cabbage, it's a dark leaf, all right? And all you're going to do with that cabbage is you're going to cut it up, all right, into small pieces, okay? Peppers, all right? Peppers are not spicy. So the best way I want you to cut these peppers today are in strips, and the thinner the better, all right? So that's going to form our base for our stir fry. Do you think we can do it?
Yeah.
Can we do it?
Yeah.
Right, go to your places.
Rainbow stir fry. I'm looking forward to it because it's a healthy meal and I think my brother will enjoy it too. Is it true that an apple a day keeps the doctor away?
I can see why you're asking that question. Apple in Old English means any fruit. So if you eat some fruit every day, it'll help to keep you healthy.
What are the effects of an unhealthy lifestyle?
There are quite a lot. But in short, you probably won't have as much energy and it'll be more likely that you'll become ill.
Can food prevent allergies?
That's another really complicated question. There are some foods which people say will help you when you've got a cold or a flu, like vitamin C, but it's been studied for years and I don't think anybody's really certain of the answer to that.
Can you exercise too much?
Yes, you can. It's quite difficult to do so. I think when you exercise too much is probably when you start exercising because you need to give time for your joints to grow and strengthen, and that takes months.
Thank you, Dr. Fleming, for helping us today.
That's all right.
Drink plenty of water. Try to eat at least 5 fruit or veg every day. Stay active every day. Don't stay in at night. Go out to play.
Have a varied diet.
Thanks for watching Brain Food. Remember to stay healthy.